everyone! I'm Mandy. Welcome to Cookbook Recipes. I'm in China right now visiting my sisters, so I'm finally able to make the dish that I have been craving for years. That is bacha. Bacha is a popular method in which the ingredient is cooked by flash-blanching in boiling water. It is the easiest and the best way to enjoy fresh, sweet, tender shrimps. I'm getting excited just thinking about it. So we're gonna go to the supermarket and buy some live shrimps. Look at those tanks. All the seafood is still swimming. Cantonese people have an almost crazy obsession with the freshness of seafood. The supermarket provide baskets and net. You're allowed to fish the seafood out yourself and pick the ones that look more active in the tank. You can't get any fresher. This is like my long lost memory. I haven't been buying shrimps like this for 6 years. Alright, we're home. I'm going to calm the shrimps in the freezer for 30 minutes so they're easier to handle. To devein the shrimp, just stick a toothpick underneath and pull it out. There you go. It's a no-brainer. We like to cook the shrimp with the head and the shell on. However, this dish can also be made with peeled shrimp. You just have to adjust the cooking time using your own judgment. Set the shrimp aside. Fill a big pot with water, add some ginger slices, crush 3 scallions. Optionally, add some lemon peel. Bring this to a boil. Add the shrimp and a few tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. Let it cook for 1 minute. Then turn off the heat and put on the lid. Let the shrimp poach in hot water for 2 to 3 more minutes, depending on the size. Fish them out. I'm making this in the summer, so I like to shock the shrimp in an ice bath for a few minutes. Summer season in Guangdong is like living in a steamer, so cold dishes are prevalent around this time. However, you can also serve it hot if you're making it during the winter. Now we're gonna make the sauce. In a heat-proof bowl, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half tablespoon of minced ginger, some diced Thai bird-eye chilies, and 1 tablespoon of diced cilantro. Heat 1½ tablespoon of vegetable oil to smoking hot and pour it onto the aromatics to activate the fragrance. Add 2½ tablespoons of soy sauce and ½ teaspoon of sugar. Stir well and we're ready to serve. This is actually a festival dish because the color of cooked shrimp is so bright and red, glowing with happy enthusiasm. Chinese people love stuff like that. The flesh is smooth, tender, and a little bouncy. With the spicy and flavorful dipping sauce, this is the perfect way to enjoy fresh shrimp. I hope you give this a try soon. Before you go, I have great news to share with you. My cookbook is finally ready for sale. You can click the link in the description and purchase this great Chinese cookbook. I have been working on it for the past 3 years, and I can proudly say that this book is going to be your ultimate guide to cooking authentic and delicious Chinese food. I carefully selected 168 recipes featuring popular takeout dishes, easy family meals, various regional specialties, and classic traditional delicacy. Each recipe comes with a demo video, step-by-step photos, clear techniques, and secret tips. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned chef, you'll be able to cook better than takeout and savor the local meals like the native Chinese.